What I just played was a demonstration of a strumming study which uses alternating bass notes. This is very common in country music and can often be seen in early players such as Chet Atkins. I'm going to run you through the chords first of all, which starts with a G, but we play G, which is often known as the country way, which is to use both the little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, the high E string, and then the 3rd finger just above that on the 3rd fret of the B string. Then we play the remaining G chord as usual, which is with our middle finger on fret 3 of the low E string and our 1st finger on fret 2 of the A string. The second chord was a D chord. That's our middle finger placed on the 2nd fret of the high E string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. The last chord we need is a C, which is the 1st finger placed on the 1st fret of the B string, the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. So what we're going to do is start off in G. We're going to play string 6 for our first bass note, and then we're going to strum all the way from string 6, and then we're going to alternate the bass note by playing the D string and then playing all of the strings again. So from the top that sounds like this. We do that twice and then change into a D chord. The great thing about this G, the way we're fretting it now, is that we can keep the 3rd finger in place as we change, making it a smoother transition. The first bass note for the D is playing string 4, then 5. Ideally we want to be playing from string 4 for both of the strums. Lastly into the C chord, starting off with string 5 as our bass note, and then 6. Now when we're playing the C chord, you want to play from string 5 for the strum. When we play 6, you can hit all of the strings, but aim to mute the 5th string with the underneath of your 3rd finger. What we don't want is that A string ringing out. We then go back to G, we play 6, strum, and then string 4, strum, and then end on string 6. You can repeat this strumming pattern as many times as desired. Again, from the top, this is how it sounds all together. That was a demonstration of country strumming using alternating bass notes and open strings.